And to the weather now, and Tom, the recent rainfall from Cyclone Kirrily could fill up Lake Eyre.
Yes, Lydia, the dry lake in South Australia occasionally fills with water following heavy rain over Australia's eastern interior. Now, the lake's catchment extends well into Western Queensland and through the Northern Territory, but the low annual rainfall and high temperatures and evaporation across these regions prevents a permanent flow of water. However, Cyclone Kirrily's slow path over inland Queensland brought heavy rain in late January. That was followed by further heavy rain in early February. As a result, around half the catchment has received more than 100 millimetres so far this year. And satellite imagery from the Copernicus program shows the rivers are now running over southwest Queensland. Now, this was the Channel Country a month ago, and this was yesterday. The Diamantina River in full flow, and those waters are heading south to Lake Eyre. Sydney worked to the coolest morning in 2 months, a low of 17 in the city. Southerly winds and low cloud then kept the high to 24. That was 2 below average. Parramatta reached 25 and Penrith 29. Statewide minimums were as much as 8 below the average. It was down to 6 in Mossvale. Maximums today were generally within a few degrees of the average for most regions. Now on the satellite, well, a band of cloud remains over the northern part of our state. Ballina had 34 millimetres to 9 a.m. Glen Innes picked up 9 millimetres today. On the chart tomorrow, a wetter pattern is developing for eastern New South Wales. We've got a new high that's moving over Tasmania. Now the winds blow anti-clockwise around highs, and that means a moist flow pushing onto the coast. Around the country, well, the Perth heatwave continues. 42 today, and they're climbing to 41 tomorrow. Brisbane showers and a storm. For the northeast, a high chance of showers for all regions to start the weekend, and the risk of thunderstorms for the inland and the lower Hunter. Now, the cloudy and showery weather is forecast to linger into Sunday. For the southeast, a high chance of showers along the coast, gradient to a medium risk for the eastern ranges. A coolish day for summer, only 18 in Braidwood and Bowral. To the west, the slight chance of a shower or storm along the northern half of the slopes, but it's looking sunny elsewhere, tops in the mid-30s. On the waters, strong winds developing off the central stretch of the coast and seas to 2 metres. Now for Sydney, a shower developing tonight along the coast, then a shower or two tomorrow for all suburbs. We'll have south to southeasterly winds up to 30 kilometres per hour. Temperature range 21 to 26 for the city, 19 to 25 for much of the west. The sun will rise at 6:23 and it's setting at 7:55. And ahead, well, a shower or two again on Sunday for Sydney, 25 to 26 degrees. It will be a warmer day on Monday. We're climbing from 29 to 31. There's a slight risk of a late shower or storm. Warm again on Tuesday with the possible storm for the outer west in the afternoon. Then a high chance of showers and storms arriving on Wednesday. That's with a southerly change in the afternoon. Behind that change, further showers Thursday and Friday, Lydia.
Thanks, Tom, and that's all from ABC News. Enjoy the rest of your evening.